Hi everyone, Amy Peterson. This is my next video. I am doing it on Epic. Epic is a reading program, a learning app. Um, I like it because when I read, I like to have it read to me. I like to just sit back and kind of listen. It's just how I learn. I'm an auditory learner. Um, And I have noticed sometimes with the Journey curriculum with reading that they have the same program that'll read the stories to the kids. So, and this is all of their textbooks learning. So I saw this and I thought of that, and I really like it because it promotes the learning for the students because not every kid, can just pick up a book and know how to read. Um, and for little kids, their parents might not have time to read to them. So, with this, I had to create an account. It was free. It gives, so I created my name as the teacher. I have my class code, and then you basically create your students from there. Now it'll tell you, it asks about how you want the books to be displayed to the kids. And I chose by grade level. You can choose by Lexile. I mean, there's a lot of different options that you can choose from. Um, so here it is. So I chose first grade because that's what I'd be teaching. And then I chose for the books to be displayed by grade level. Um, Learning videos are on, and um, yeah, once you add your students, then you will have, oh, you can invite families. I love that part. So that would open it up for, friends and families. So really like it. I love Pete the Cat and all these books that would be available. And I can even assign them to each student. So really fun. Um, you work on the five senses. You can do all, you can apply these books to everything. So really like it. Even if it's like holidays or something, the teachers can pull all this information out. So I'm really excited about that. I will be using this learning video in my classroom, just because if my students don't have, you know, a really strong reading level, then they can boost it through this program. Yeah, building comprehension levels, building word banks. So the more words they hear, the more they'll learn. And just the wide variety of books. Yeah, and it's available to anyone. This is a free program. Um, I signed up as a teacher, but you can sign up as a parent or a student. So I chose two standards. My first standard is being that I'm a first year teacher, that I need to collaborate and work with other teachers. I want to know if they've used this learning app or if they haven't. If it's worked in the past, future, whatever. I just want to know. Um, and you know, being that this is technology, and I want to be able to incorporate it into the classroom. I believe that our world is advancing so fast, and that everything is going to be technical in one way or another here soon. So the more I help our students to understand and learn safely, then the better. So I will learn it along with them, and just as long as we learn the do's and the don'ts of each. So thank you.